Well, despite new legislation in place, the property insurance crisis in Florida is not over. It's an issue we've covered for months now in our Price of Paradise series. Another company, United Property and Casualty, or UPC, entered receivership last week.
And that means their losses are greater than the money that they have to pay out claims. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Stassi Almos has been looking into this crisis hitting not only homeowners, but every taxpayer in the state. Stassi explains why companies are still going insolvent, and she also shares just a little bit of good news.
You can see the roof has been completely repaired. You know, it's fine. There's a lot of tarps on the roofs down here, and mine's completely done now.
Cape Coral homeowner Dave Stevens is one of nearly 500,000 homeowners who have filed insurance claims after Hurricane Ian hit in September. Even though his property insurance company, St. John's, filed for bankruptcy and was liquidated early last year, he considers himself very lucky.
Slide did send out a what they called a welcome package. That said, we're going to be taking over these all of these policies.
His policy was one of 100,000 that a new insurance company in Tampa called Slide picked up.
I knew that there were going to be mass insolvencies in Florida, so we raised a tremendous amount of capital to really kind of capitalize on market opportunities and provide new solutions to the homeowners.
Bruce Lucas, former founder of Heritage Insurance, started Slide with St. John's customers and employees, and now adding more than 70,000 UPC customers.
We did the St. John's deal in March. We took a wait-and-see approach to the market. Obviously, that was a good move because we had a major hurricane and then statutory reforms. But once those reforms were in place, we opened up in January for new business. And then we completed the UPC transaction on February 1st.
On February 16th, UPC went into receivership. The referral document states that the company had millions of dollars in underwriting losses over the years, and now they don't have enough money to cover losses from Hurricane Ian. I went through the Office of Insurance Regulations data and found UPC had about 138,000 policies in force when Ian hit.
A lot of policies that they had open damage claims from Hurricane Ian, so our underwriting manual won't let us take those policies.
In an October meeting, UPC estimated about 30,000 claims from Ian with a loss of $1 billion. This means that if they do end up in liquidation, these claims will go to the Florida Guarantee Association, or FIGA, a nonprofit funded by insurance companies and taxpayers. OIR tells me that UPC had about 56,000 policies just before they entered receivership, and all of their policyholders received cancellation notices 120 days prior. Stating OIR encourages consumers to contact their agent immediately to begin finding alternate coverage to fit their needs. Consumers with an open claim or unrepaired damage to their property should contact their agent. In Tampa, I'm in-depth reporter Stassi Almos, ABC Action News.
We did reach out to UPC representatives but have not heard back. Stassi's also talking with FIGA to find out more about the funding in place to cover UPC's existing claims. We know that UPC is the only company that opted into the state's temporary market stabilization management. That means that Citizens Property Insurance may have to help pay out claims if FIGA doesn't have the funding. Just a reminder, you can find all this information right here on our website at abcactionnews.com/paradise.